Welcome everybody to Cool Pichu 264. I'm Nathaniel, and today I'll be playing some Animal Crossing. Yeah, so today is actually the fishing tournament. I was just gonna make a short video about it, but because I had barely any space on my phone, so right now I'm using a different device. So yeah, let's start. Just a few minutes left for the fishing tournament. Yay! Okay. Alright. So it's gonna be I'm gonna try to make it as long as the last as the book off. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, I'll keep it as long thing, and I'll continue recording when it starts. Alright, so I got all my stuff ready. I mean, I know how I have these things, but I could use these things just in case if I find something. Yeah. And also I need this to keep my default outfit on. So yeah, I got my 2 fishing rods and my fish bait. So yeah, and I have plenty of more of these because I was prepared. So yeah, well I'll continue recording when it starts. I know that I said that I was gonna return, but I decided to maybe talk a little bit to my villagers. I just got this guy. You villagers ain't gonna catch nothing. I'm gonna be the one who's gonna win here. Well, I'm gonna, for real now, I'm gonna record when it starts. Alright, it's about to start. Alright, let's begin. Oh yeah, if you hear fans in the back, because it's really hot, it's really warm, and I don't want this to get too warm, so yeah, I have my fan on. Sorry if it annoys you. Alright. Three minutes. I know. Alright, go. Yes. Sign me up. Right. Yep, I know. Go. Ah! Alright. I need fish, come on. Oh, fish. What the hell? No, stop it. Do it. Go. Oh my god. No! I'm ignoring it. Screw it. Scar food. Hurry. Ah! Come on, catch it. Get it. Yes! Got one. Okay, go. Keep going. Use another one. Ah! Go. Alright, go. Keep on going. Sky food. Go, hurry up! A shark! Okay, give me. Yeah. Hurry up! Go! Yeah. Oh, it doesn't matter what it is. Let's go. Hurry. Hold on. Yeah, it's not a different area. There's no fish over here. What happened to the fish? Whatever. Give me fish. Give me. Come on, go. What are you looking at? I'm gonna beat you. Alright. Come on, come here, give me. Give me that diddly non-fish. Come on. Hurry. Oh, okay. I need more fish. Is there any fish in the rivers? Give me fish. Fuck. Ramen. Whatever. It's fine. Okay. No, okay. We're done. Go. No! Okay. It's okay. We're just a fish bait. It's just a fish bait. Come here, please. Hurry up. Oh my god. What? God! No! I got 6. Is that good? Oh my god. Oh, hold on. Let me get this. Hold on. Let me get this present. Alright. Yeah. Ooh. 3 fish or more. It's 8 points. This is definitely going to be harder than the bug off. Oh my god, okay. Do another one. Yeah. Some, Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Hurry up. No, come on. I want to compete. Come on. Yeah, whatever. As long as I get points, I want to get some prizes. Okay, I don't think this is gonna be as easy as the bug off, and I'm probably not gonna be able to earn all the trophies in one thing on the first day of the fishing tournament, because I did that with the bug off, but that's because bugs are easy to catch, but fish take more time to catch. Alright, come on. Alright. A pufferfish, just. Alright, sky food. Ooh, okay, give me that fish. Give me it. Give me. Hurry up. Alright, let's go. Alright. What? What are you talking about? There we go. Alright. Come on! Whatever. Alright. Come on, go. Hurry! Go. Cast the line. Okay. Right. Come on. Great. I'm actually gonna play for more longer, like after I end the video. But I'll show you guys the prizes I won. Come on. Ooh, okay. Hurry. Sky food. Go. Come on. Hurry. I swear, all this fish bait is gonna be gone. today. I have a lot, but it's probably gonna be all gone as soon as I'm done with the fishing rod. Oh, hurry! Go! Come back, Jess! Yes! Right. Right. Let me check how much. 10 minutes, alright, so I might. Okay. Right. Alright, well. Sell them all. Well, I'm gonna end the video, but hold on. Before I end it, I'll do something. Alright, so I just got this stuff on my storage, and I want to show you guys something. I got all of these trophies from the last, from the bug off tournament. Yeah. It wasn't actually, it was, like I said, it wasn't that hard to catch all of them. Catch a lot of bugs, so yeah. Well, I'm gonna end the video here, and if you want to see, yeah, I will end up making a video of KK Slider's concert, because he's coming tomorrow. So yeah, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you like. I mean, you can. I mean, you don't have to, but just if you want. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.